So, out of the bus again. We got our doors on. Right, all hinged up. Very nice. Over the kitchen. Then we did 2 cupboard doors on this side. Right. So those are nice. Gwen's bed, we did the slats. So now we just gotta get a custom mattress built and then figure out some kind of rails and everything for that. Right, hinged up down here too as well. So those are done. Right. Yeah. So we're thinking on this bar, we're thinking of an actual piece of pine, like an actual tree trunk to put in here. Right? So that's the idea for now. You guys can tell us maybe a cedar post, farm post, I'm not sure. But that'd be neat to have that. Some knots and everything sticking out. So our next goal is plumbing and kitchen. So, right, we're starting to get into the big build, the final steps, right? Once you get the kitchen in, you gotta do the plumbing, you gotta do the electrical. So it gets up there, buying everything. So far, it's just been a lot of lumber. Right? The build's been fairly cheap right now, right? So, right, we get into the big purchases.
Like the counter and the sink.
That's it. Right? So, yeah, but for the most part, it's coming along. We haven't had any stalls other than COVID, right? So that's good. And then we still got to work on the door. So if anybody's got any suggestions, we'd love to keep the school bus door. Right? So we'll point of using a school bus to make it still look like a school bus on the outside. Right? Somehow to secure that without using the original school bus thing. I like the school bus thing, I'm not gonna lie. Right? Jen thinks it's bulky. And it is. Right? So any suggestions on that? Securing it, locking it tight so the heat's good. Right? Yeah. I don't know any other progress other than that's what we got so far. So we're gonna give you a little of the speed camera for you guys on the progress of the cupboards that we built, me and Jen. So other than that, we'll see you guys later. Hey everybody! So back at the bus, we're working for about 3 or 4 hours already. So we have the closet going. Alright, so shelving unit up here, hang coats and everything here. Then we got this, the front of the bus. Very interesting, yeah. Now I had to get a board going. Started an electrical board. Right? Yeah. What do you think, Jen? Is it looking like a home?
Very much so.
Yes. So somehow we got insulation all over the ground again. It was gone for so long. Yeah. But soon we're gonna run out of stuff to build. We're gonna have to actually buy things from Amazon and different things. So we're getting to that point where most of the build is done. Then it'll be fine details and small things like that. But
Toilet.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like we're on schedule. We're looking to be in the bus in the spring.
Mm-hmm.
So coming along slowly.
But good.
Yeah.
Looking more and more homey.
Mm-hmm.
And soon enough winter will be over and won't need the diesel heater anymore.
Yeah. Then we'll be asking for AC.
Yeah. Well, we'll be outside, so
Open all the windows.
yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So that's all the updates and details so far.